Welcome back. South Goa Panchayat chairperson Nelly Rodriguez was manhandled by a group in Zuarinagar, Sankwal on Thursday. Nelly claims that the Sankwal ZP member Marian Rodriguez is behind the attack and Sankwal Sarpanch backed the goons. Nelly has demanded the immediate arrest of the accused.
We organize a camp, they had proper authorities. Go and complain to the police or go and complain to the proper authorities that I have not taken permission. You cannot come and take law in your hands and attack people. And such elected people, the Congress party wants to give the tickets. The Congress candidate it's good for the Congress people in Goa to know what candidate they are selecting for the Kortali constituency. And they stopped the camp and they frightened the doctors. They barged into the room and started attacking everybody and asking me why I didn't take the permission for any medical camp. Even I confirmed with Device P. I said, as per the rule, I know the rule, no permissions are required to organize medical camp from Panchayat. So Ramakant, Karya, Marian, they just came to create a fear psychosis for everybody and for me. But we are not going to allow Gundagiri and Dadagiri Raj. And I am not going to succumb to threats. So when my son questioned them, they came and hit him also. They hit me also. They hit everybody here.
We tried to contact the alleged attackers, but we could not contact Dishant Parab for prudent. Regional language protagonist Bharatiya Bhasha Suraksha Manch has hit the streets again. Manch assembled in Panji and staged agitation in the capital city. It is demanding stopping of state grants given to English medium schools. BJP-led government had cheated them, say the Konkani protagonist. Arvind Bhatikar said agitation will continue until it reaches a logical conclusion.
आम्ही हे आंदोलन पळय आसा दी ते 2011 सुरू केले. मदीं मातशें सवका जालें कित्याक आज करतले फाल्यां करतले परं करतले अशें म्हणून तो ग्रांट पळय दिले न्ही इंग्लिशीक तो बंद करपा खातीर आनी ताजे बरोबर आनीक मागण्यो आसात. म्हणटकर ते कांयच करना म्हणून आतां आमी धरण्याक जोर लायला आनी परतून सुरू केलें अशें न्ही. आमचें कार्य चालू आशिल्लें सदांच ते पब्लिकांत येना आशिल्लें पूण आतां ते पब्लिकली सारके सगळे लोकांच्या मुखार मिडियाच्या मुखार आमी एक कार्य परतून नेटान सुरू केला अशें म्हणपा जाता. आनी हे वेलिंगकर बाबान सांगिल्ले प्रमाणे आमची उद्दिश्ट साध्य जाय मेरेन हे चालू उरतले. सरकार खंयी पाव
खर तरेचो विश्वासघात आसा आनी विश्वासघात फक्त आमचो कांय अवघ्यात लोकांचो ना, गोंयचे जनतेचो जे स्वताच्या भाशेचे अभिमानी आसा, संस्कृतीचे अभिमानी अशा समस्त लोकांचो अपमान आसा आनी आमी तो खंयच्याच पद्दतीन सहन करून घेवचो. मागणो तीच आसा, इंग्रजी माध्यमांक जी ग्रांट आसा ती स्टॉप करपाक दिसल्या.
Certain lawyers and judges are legal terrorists. They are killing justice every day. Convict MLA Mickey said it. Accused Mickey was produced before the Madgaon court on Thursday during hearing on his casino extortion case. The case will be heard on 14th October. Mickey's counsel said prosecution has added Section 341 in the charge sheet without permission of the court. Section 341 is cognizable and is charged with wrongful restraint. Arguments on the aspect were partly heard.
Accused number 1 खातीर advocate Anapet Vegasan arguments before charge केले. Accused number 2 खातीर advocate Shrikant Naikan already last date केले. आणि आता तांच्यांनी जेराल्ड ते कंप्लेनंट आसा ताणे एक advocate अपॉइंट केला आपल्या खातीर टू असेस प्रोसिक्युशन. ताणे टाइम सीक केला आणि फुडले डेटीक तांचे आर्ग्युमेंट्स.
किती असले चार्जेस?
सॉरी
किती चार्जेस फायल केले आहेत?
चार्जेस आशिल्ले अंडर सेक्शन 341 which are added later. पयलीं नाशिल्ले which is cognizable offence जे मागीर एड केला तांच्यांनी विदाउट द परमिशन ऑफ द कोर्ट which is not permissible. ह्या पॉयंटाचेर आर्ग्युमेंट्स जातले.
नेक्स्ट डेट केन्ना?
फुडली डेट आता 14th October 2:30.
Notice in politics there is justice, injustice. And there is no justice and there is no. I believe there are certain lawyers and certain judges are India's terrorists, legal terrorists. Every day killing the justice.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.